I got a free 1K funded account, a two-step account for free, and you can see right here it says $0 from this platform right here using a coupon code I'll be sharing with you guys. So in case you're just coming across this channel, you just need to pay attention, follow the steps I'll be sharing, and you'll be getting yourself a free funded account to trade the live market. So all you need to do is to make profits, meet the requirements, and you'll be able to make withdrawals. So in case you're just coming across this channel for the first time, I'm Daniel Light, and I drop updates on how to get free funded accounts, Forex and deposit bonus, and updates like this you don't want to miss out. So firstly, subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share this video with your colleagues, your friends who are also interested in getting a free funded account. So without wasting time, I'll be doing much edit and much stuff like that to this video, so everyone can actually get this account before it ends, because we're actually using a coupon code. So once you click on the link you find in the comment section, it brings you right here to this platform. You can see the name showing at the top of the screen. There are a lot of things you actually need to pay attention to, or else you're actually going to miss out a lot. Now, I actually had some issues in some aspect of this site, which I'm actually making this video so that you guys can have a smooth access to getting it. So to this aspect, what you need to do is to click on this right here that says start your challenge, and then you'll be brought in to where you actually need to fill in your details. Now, very important, you have to fill in your correct details based on your national documents, and right there you can see you just need to fill in your first name, your last name, put your email address, the country you're from, your WhatsApp number, which you'll be needing to verify it also. So you create a password and which are important. You click on get funded and you'll be brought into the main site, which means an account has been created on your behalf with your details. So without wasting time, you have this, just click on get funded to go straight to getting the account. And you can see the coupon code you're actually going to be using, which is well100. You can see it right there. So you scroll back up and then you click on this aspect of the site that says get started, and then you'll be brought to where you're actually going to be needing to get the account. And also another important aspect of this video I want you to pay attention to, make sure you don't change anything among these details. You can see every information have been selected automatically, so just make sure you leave the details just like this. You can see a two-step account which has already been selected, and the details which are the requirements which you are expected to meet. This right here, you must meet a minimum trading days of 5 days, a minimum daily loss, which is for the first phase which is 5%, and also for the second phase is also 5%. The maximum overall loss, which is 10%, and also for the second phase is 10%. And the profit target for the first phase is 8%, and the second phase is 5%. So those are the terms and the requirements you are asked to meet to be able to get funded. Now, to see other details right here, you need to leave them exactly as they are. Just scroll up a little bit more and then get to this section where you actually need to complete, fill in your details. Your first name has been filled already, your last name, your email address has been filled. All you just need to do is to fill in your mobile phone number right here, your address, details for your address into this box. Immediately you're done with all those details, just scroll up and you see right here the coupon code have been added automatically. So you just need to scroll up and then click on this right here that says this box that agrees to the terms and condition. These two boxes, you click on it which clicking on it actually means you agree to their terms and condition, and then you click on continue to payment. Now see right here the coupon code which you added actually turned this to 0. It was actually $14 before, so it turned that to 0. And at this point I haven't verified my email address, so I add it just like this. So what you need to do next is go click on verify email, which will actually show this, and then a coupon code will be sent to your email address, which you just need to copy from your email, and right there you just come back to the site to paste it into this required box right here. So once your email has been verified, the next thing you need to do is to verify your WhatsApp number too. So just click on this right here that says verify WhatsApp, and then a code will also be sent to your WhatsApp, which you need to verify. And right there you copy the code, go to your WhatsApp, copy the code, come back here to paste it, and also verify your WhatsApp. Now immediately you're done with these verifications, so you just need to go back to the main dashboard. You will be brought to this aspect of the site, showing you details just like this, that you've actually verified your email, your WhatsApp, and you just need to verify your identity. Now you don't need to verify this yet, So all you just need to do is to go back to the process on how I showed you how to claim the account, and then proceed to getting the account following the same process. And in your email you should have a message just like this showing you, and once you open it you will receive the receipt that you've gotten the account, and you just need to go back to the site to get the login details, log into your MT5 and start trading. Now I don't want to waste time on this video, so I don't want anyone to miss out on this update, because update about using the coupon code is to end quick. By once we have a lot of people who actually try to claim it, it might actually end quick. So I don't want anyone to waste your time. I don't want to waste any time. Just go straight, follow the process and get the account. And in case you don't understand any aspect of this video, just leave a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share to all your friends who are actually interested in updates like this also. Have a nice day, guys.